What's up, lunar bikes here. So today the replacement fitting the tube and tire. At this point, pay attention to where the inscription on the tire should be. In my case, opposite the inscription on the rim. First option, pull out the inner tube, straighten it and place it in the tire. Start with the valve to mount the tire. Then place one side of the tire on the rim. Okay, now it's time for the other side of the tire. Use both hands for this. At the end it can be hard, so you can use spoons. But be careful. Slightly inflated the tire, check if it fits, and massage it. Then inflate the full proper value. Oh no, the valve is crooked and the tube may be damaged. Correct it so that it is perpendicular to the hub. The direction of the tire is important when installing the tire. Mark it with an arrow on the tire. It indicates the direction of the tread. The second option is to slightly inflate the tube. and only then mounting, analog will see the option 1. Thanks for watching.